It's a great place to work. I probably won't find another job. I'll probably retire here.
Get to be here for many, many years until I retire.
I started off coming into the company not knowing much about anything.
I started here during high school.
I've started here when I was still in high school.
And as I came in, they showed me more than I thought I would have learned here.
I started through an apprenticeship program and I worked on the shop floor as a machinist for a few years.
I'd never really worked in a factory warehouse before, but they took me on, they trained me, they was patient with me, and I hold my own right now.
I went through a pseudo apprentice program where I got to work all departments, got to experience all of the tasks that everybody does on a daily basis. From there, I went on to being a manufacturing engineer and got promoted to the manager role.
I actually started off at an entry-level position as an assembler, and just recently I got promoted again to be a quality engineer.
So I've learned how to use programs that I would have no idea how to use otherwise. The thing I like about here is that as long as you're willing to learn, they will give you the opportunity to grow. I could say that they've given me all the opportunities to grow. As long as I'm willing to learn, they're willing to show me.
Technetics allows you to take all types of training as well as college accredited courses, and they really trust in you to kind of utilize all that training out on the shop floor.
What makes this place different from other companies that I have worked at, willing to give knowledge, receive knowledge, adhere to knowledge.
Experienced big companies where you just don't get the same treatment on a personal level.
Technetics has offered me a ton of on-hand training as well as online courses and materials to work from.
They care so much for you. Honestly, they help you, and they help with your mental health, they help with your safety.
In the next 5 to 10 years, I would like to be on my way to becoming some sort of engineer.
They give you opportunity to grow, to move up.
I can see the different processes and how many steps, how many man hours it takes to make some of these parts, and it just kind of blows my mind. When I don't understand, I can ask somebody and they will give me the direct answer. This goes into this jet engine or this helicopter, stuff like that.
It's a different atmosphere here, I could tell that.
We are a small family.
Everyone here is super friendly and you just get along with everyone.
They don't make you feel like no question is stupid.
They value your comments, they open to any suggestions you have. They're not the type of company that'll say, no, that's not how it goes. And that's what I like about it. I love about it, actually.
It's really a bottom-up approach where everyone works together.
They promote safety.
Any little thing that we have that could be a safety issue, they fix right away.
There's a high level of pride. If you talk to anybody out on the shop floor or even engineers, they really talk about this like it's their life.
Quality parts that we make as far as aerospace. When I go outside and I see planes flying by, I say, that could be some of the material y'all pulled. It's a joy coming to work. Without us, nothing takes place. And that's good to hear. To know that you have their full support in everything that you do.
So I would strongly recommend that someone considers working here. It's a great culture.
We'll train them up and get them to wherever they want to be.
I'd be looking for someone with passion, with drive, with motivation, someone who's willing to be taught, and someone who's also willing to express any knowledge that they have that they might be willing to give.
Every day is something new that you learn.
Team player, pays attention to details, and just wants to be part of a good team.
I know that was in there somewhere, but I think in my brain I don't think that, so that's why I'm like...
Want me to redo that?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
I don't mind.
Okay, I got a question.
Yes.
So I'm responding to you or both of y'all. Work on this is hard. Okay, I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. You're
great.
Okay. Now I'm trying to
It's okay.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay.
And I used to tell her, Chica, stop! You're a human resources. Stop doing that. And look at me doing this. Thank you. I was so nervous. Can you make me skinny now?